probably come to get your free insider's guide to Kyoto and decided to watch this video. Actually, I'm the guy who made the insider's guide. My name is Greg, and I'm a long-term Kyoto resident, but originally from Canada, and I speak fluent Japanese. I used to work in one of Kyoto's best luxury hotels, but now I run my own tourism company, helping visitors such as yourselves connect to local Kyoto. I guess you could say I'm kind of like a local friend who can help you go beyond the touristy stuff. My company is called handsonkyoto, and its purpose is to help visitors connect with local Kyoto. Using my experience from the hotel and guiding, I give you pro guide tips on must-see temples, gardens, shops, and restaurants. This is perfect for those of you who want to do it on your own. Or if you're interested in private tours, I give you unique insight into Japanese culture and help you get a deeper feel for Kyoto history and culture. Plus, I share with you unique backstories only the locals know about. And as a thank you for watching this video to the end, I'm going to share with you one bonus insider tip and a free one-day itinerary for Nara, the ancient capital of Japan. I found most visitors arrive in Kyoto only to realize they haven't budgeted enough time to get the most out of Kyoto. Kyoto actually has so much to see and do. You could easily stay a week and still find so many more things to see and do. That's why I suggest you plan to stay at least 4 days, and if you use my 3-day itinerary in the Insider's Guide, this will help you to cover the main places in Kyoto, and you can also use as a bonus the free 1-day itinerary for Nara as well. Nara is only 1 hour away from Kyoto by train. Check out the description below for your free 1-day itinerary to Nara, and I'll talk to you again soon.